Hey, guess what? 2 days ago, I had hip surgery. And here I am providing you with a guitar lesson. I think we should call this one a hip scale run. Is that okay? All right, let's get rid of the crutches and let's do it. So, this is an A Dorian scale run using sliding sixth. And it sounds like this. So I'm just using notes from the A Dorian mode, and I'm just sliding these notes around. This is the pattern I'm using. I'm using the D string and the B string. And on the B string, I use my middle finger on the right hand to pluck it. So it's a hybrid style. So that's the basic idea. And this is just a starting point. You can slide these around however you like. Going up. Or back and forth. You can do a lot with this. Let's take a look at the right hand as well. So you can see I'm plucking that note on the B string with the middle finger. And here's another variant. All right, guys, there you have it. A pretty hip scale run, if I may say so myself. Don't forget to check out my website, Master Guitar Academy. That's where I have all the work that I've ever done. There's hundreds of lessons available. All right, you take care now, and I'll see you next time.